After my safari this morning, I ordered an Uber and I headed up to the beach. I'm headed to Mirissa right now. I saw this big fire. I don't think it's normal because the driver was also filming it. I saw this big monitor lizard on my walk to the hotel. What is up? And I am in Mirissa. And I got a hotel when I arrived in town. I walked to a couple hotels. This was actually the second one I went to. And I took a room here. It's right on the beach. The beach is right through that corridor. And the room is basic, but it cost me 5,500 rupees or about 17 US dollars. It's got air conditioning, a bed, and a bathroom, which is all I need. So let's take a walk to the beach. There's a restaurant right here attached to the hotel. The water looks a little rough. I'm gonna take a walk this way. I see on a map there's something called Secret Beach, so I'm gonna check that out. There's a lot of spots giving surf lessons. Nice rock formation out there. I don't know how to get to the secret beach. I don't know if I have to go through the jungle or go out onto the street. See if I can figure it out though. Well, this is the end of the beach. And I don't think I can get to this secret beach going further this way. So I must have to go to the street and get it from the street somehow. So I'm taking a walk on the street trying to find this secret beach. By the look on the map, it shouldn't be very far. 5-10 minute walk. But sometimes things aren't always that easy. Let's find out. We got a little sign. So it's obviously down this way. Somebody's waving me this way, so I wasn't expecting to have to go uphill to get to a beach. It's a pretty steep hill too. So once you get to the top of the hill, you got to walk down this path. All right, I've arrived. There's a restaurant and some beach chairs over there. The water's still rough though. I was expecting it to be calmer over here. There's a little bit of a wind. Some good scenery. Got some clouds coming in. I didn't end up staying at the secret beach very long. I was only there about 20 minutes and then I walked back. I had planned to go over to Coconut Tree Hill for sunset, which is in about 20 or 25 minutes, but there is no sun. It's starting to rain, but I think I'm gonna come back tomorrow morning. It'll be a little bit better, there'll be more light. After my walk on the beach, I went back to my room for a little bit and then I went to dinner. I got this fish at one of the restaurants right on the beach. Good morning. It's about 8 a.m. now. Last night it really started pouring and I ended up having to walk back to my hotel. But I got out of the rain, so not a big deal. But I figured I'd take a walk down in the morning. There'd be better light and I could see more. It looks a lot better now than it did last night with all the clouds. But I'm gonna take a walk up those stairs and climb to the top. The water looks nice and clear today. This is a great spot where the two beaches connect. Can't really swim over in this direction because of the rocks. Alright, climbing up the stairs. I'm currently barefoot. I do have flip-flops on with me, but oh, this looks like I'll need two hands. All right, I'm at the top. Those stairs weren't as bad as they looked. Let's keep going. There's a lot of crows up here. This is it. There's a lady doing yoga. Let's try not to disturb her. Big dark cloud has rolled in recently. After this, I went back to my room, I got my luggage, I got an Uber, and I went to my next location. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.